القيامه, standing. How long this standing going to be? 50,000 years. Now, I want you to think now, as you're standing there waiting for your Lord, you ain't sitting on no chair. You're standing in the heat and you're sweating. You're standing in line, not a day, not a week, not a month, not even 100 years. 50,000 years. Waiting to be judged. And some people standing there waiting to be judged, they know the end. Let it happen, they say. Let it happen now. It's real. Allah is real. The hellfire is real. Jannah is real. Punishment in the grave is real. It's no joke. We ain't playing. This is real. But we too busy. Why did you make prayer? I'm too busy. What you busy doing? I'm watching TV. I'm too tired to pray now. What are you doing? I'm on my internet. I'm on my smartphone. I'm on all of this. I can't pray now. What? I can't fast. Why can't you fast?